this is the old one. Focus. It seems to be fine. It opens perfectly fine. But I'm just starting to think that maybe the spring is too weak. So I'm gonna just change it anyways. It's like $7 for a thermostat, so. Disconnected this black plug, which is a plug for the adapter for the stock radio. Took it off of this aftermarket radio. Much easier to get to than those two over there. I'm gonna get these off because I'm gonna use these brackets. Put the stock stereo back on the brackets. Some of the screws are still in stereo, I don't know, housings I guess you would call them. Some more stripped, but they're just 8mm bolts or screws, whatever you want to call them. There we go. Needs a little cleaning, obviously, but I want to make sure it works before I clean it, or permanently put it back in. Well, here's the patch harness. I guess that's what you would call it. Got the radio back in. Gonna see if it powers on. It does power on. Just obviously the radio doesn't work, but I'm not gonna use radio anyways. So I'm gonna try this little Bluetooth cassette. I got it on Amazon for like $10.